What I'm making is a blintz. It's a hack, really, of a blintz. So actually, I've got to get started. I'm taking these berries down to not quite like a syrup or a sauce, but I just kind of want them to start releasing their natural juices and kind of expanding their flavor with some other ingredients that I'm going to be adding as well. I'm using tortillas.
No, you're not making blintzes. You're just making sweet tacos.
It's a hack. I'm gonna start to prepare like 3 or 4 of these. But here's where the fun comes in. I've got another hack I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be dredging and soaking these tortillas in a vanilla creamer. So I'm gonna be getting some sweetness.
Oh, I like that.
That's gonna infuse into the tortillas.
I've never actually seen this before. Why would you do that?
The tortilla is gonna start soaking up all of that cream.
It's not just gonna be a soggy tortilla?
No.
It looks like a soggy tortilla. You know what? You do you.
I am gonna do me.
You do
You
that.
do you, just not too fast because I need some time for my stuff to cook down. That is what I'm talking about. I've got some cream cheese that's been coming to a room temperature here. I've also got some yogurt. I've also got a little bit of lemon zest that's gonna, oh, I gotta play the wind, whoa. Don't lose your lemon zest. Because I'm feeling saucy, I'm gonna add a few strawberries in here. My berries have had a moment to soften up. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemon juice here. This is gonna release some more of those juices, and to thicken up, I'm gonna add a little sweetness to this cream mixture interior here with some honey. And I've pulled out my tortilla, and to Nate's point, I have a very wet tortilla, but that is the point. Now, the magic starts to happen. And of course, use whatever kinds of berries that you like. I'm known for overfilling certain things.
This is true.
However, do you feel like that's overfilled? I don't know about that.
I'm not telling you.
Come on, chef. Then we're gonna make like a burrito, right? And fold and just create that nice little pocket. And that is what we're going for. So I'm gonna drop down a little bit of unsalted butter right here on this side of the Blackstone. This is a side that I've got warm. Gonna do a little bit of butter inside of my berries. I'll mix that in just a moment. And we're ready to go on with our tortillas. Now what we are going for is that right there. That is the magic, but we're gonna do this 2 or 3 times because I think that I'm gonna wanna get like this nice crispy coat and exterior all around.
Yours is a fancy burrito.
It's a hack.
It's a beautiful, fancy, sweet burrito.
It's a hack.
I've never seen a burrito that's sweet.
No,
Well,
unless
they don't.
I make them. He said it. His face said everything and all at the same time said nothing.
I didn't see that coming. I thought it was just gonna be soggy.
Crispy, delicious burrito.
Delicious blintz hack.